Alright, y'all. As you can see, I'm in the middle lane on the road. Been waiting on the dock to empty out. They told me to wait out here. So, yeah, we're finally about to back into this dock. Hopefully this guy comes out decently quick. I've waited like an hour out on the street in the middle lane here. But, yeah. Hopefully we get out decently quick because I do have a pickup. It's a garage dock. I'm trying to see the best way for me to back in. I think I'm gonna go out that way. Now that you can see it. Driving with cyclone old TVs. It's like pallets full of those big bulky free for taking on the curb type of TVs. They already signed my bills, but same issue as before. I'm gonna have to go in there and have them sign in the right place. So to be completely honest, that back end was kind of a fail. I should have just pulled in like this guy, straightened myself out, and then just back right in. Instead, I was spinning on the freaking rocks over there. Rookie move for sure, and then took me a minute to position myself in here properly, but oh well, not every parking's perfect. But yeah, hopefully we get unloaded quick and get going. It's some beautiful weather outside, so I guess this is gonna be one of those trying to get something done days. As you know, I mounted a box on the side, and just in case you're wondering what I have in here, my leaf blower to blow out the trailer, my creeper, because you never know what you might need it for. I'll, like, you know, if I have time, go under the truck and check stuff out. If I'm sitting at a truck stop, you know, why not? But more importantly, my latches don't lock. So what I did is I bought some new latches. I don't know if they're gonna fit. I hope they do. They seem like the same size. These are different. These have bolts on the back, and you just throw some nuts on them, some locking nuts, I suppose. But hopefully this does it, and then I have another one somewhere in there also. But however, as you can see, this one has a bigger roller than this. So what I'm gonna see is if I can fit this one onto this, because I don't think this would work. Actually, I might just mount it and then see if it works. It might work, but at the same time, I don't think so. I don't know. I'll have to measure this out and see the dimensions and the differences in the offset. So yeah, because you can see this sticks out significantly more than this. So let's grab a measuring tape and see the center of this as opposed to the handle versus this. So let's check that out. All right, y'all, so we're stopped at a rest area cooking up some steak. As you can see, kind of got pretty hungry, so I was like, you know what, I'm gonna just stop and make some food, some rice and steak. Got some steak sauce. As you can see, my good old sink. The biggest thing about cooking and eating on the road is having to wash the dishes, which in this case is just my air fryer, but still the thing gets dirty. The truck is still in process of making everything together, but as you can see, it's coming out nice. I think today I'm gonna have my lunch outside on those boards. It's a beautiful day outside, so why not spend some time outside, you know? We're just inside all the time. I was gonna replace this latch, but yeah, the guys loaded me like 10 minutes. Can't complain. So I didn't do that. I might do that after I eat. I'll see. If I feel like it, I might stop by home and shower. we'll see. Heading to Osceola, it's like 50 miles from Memphis, and then tomorrow I have a load from there to Chicago, and then out of Chicago I'm either gonna go home unless a really good load pops up, maybe to like Columbus or Indianapolis or something. I'm gonna go there and then go home. But yeah, that's kind of what's going on. I've been meaning to build this drawer shelf thing here for the fridge. I just haven't had time or will, so it is what it is. But yeah, hopefully you guys like the video, and we will catch you outside. All right, y'all, here we go. Here's a nice home cooked meal, rice and steak, right at the rest area. Just shows you can eat home cooked meals in truck as well. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and we'll catch you guys on the next one.